Today we are pitting my two strategies against each other to see who the clear winner is, and I know who it's going to be, but we're going to have to test it out. So we have the 15-second 𝐬𝐸𝐚𝐥 strategy called the golden setup, where when the CCI is down and the Williams is up, we have a clear indication to take a sell, against the Hitman strategy, which uses 1 minute classic candles, and we are going to see who the winner is. Let's get to it. We are starting with the Hitman strategy, and I actually see it right here. All you need is just one horizontal line and possibly one trend line. So we are going to change this to be 1,000, and I'm going to buy here. Let's change this to be 1 minute, and we're going to take this up a couple of these bad boys. So the first one lost, unfortunately, but that's because I was talking and I was not paying attention. We still have a couple seconds left. We need to make sure that we enable the timer. So we have 7 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and we got those. So let's open up our trade. So we have 1 loss and 3 wins, which means that we are up by 2. Now, if this comes down to this line, I will buy. All right, 1 minute left. Pull up, pull up. All right, if we lose this one, that is okay. We will get our money back. Stay up. All right, we got that one. Now, if this comes back up and touches that line, we will take a sell for about 30 seconds. And we're down. We have 30 seconds left. Let's take a screenshot of that. That was absolutely freaking beautiful. Okay, so these are our recent trades. Now, that was the 1 minute Hitman strategy. So now we're going to switch this from 1 minute classic candles to 15-second 𝐬𝐸𝐚𝐥 candles and see if we can find a setup. So we are looking for where the CCI is down and the Williams is up. Williams and the CCI are down. So it looks like we're coming up on it right now. 2, 1, and we got that one. So as you can see, the Williams is pointed almost just like at a straight angle down, and CCI was also down. Okay, CCI is down, Williams is down. No, keep going down. All right, we got that one. Oh, and come on. All right, we got that one. While I could win on both, I definitely feel much more comfortable taking trades on, oh, see, I shouldn't have taken it there. See, we lost that one. So we're going to end this there. But if you want to learn how to do the 1 minute Hitman, you can go and jump right into my Discord and learn all about it. You can also access the courses, strategies, resource library, the videos, mentorship info. And then I do have the Leave Your 9 to 5 program. All of these trades, we only have like a handful of losses, not even a handful. We have the last one was a loss, and then we have like 2 down here. So yeah, this definitely works. And if you want to say goodbye to your 9 to 5 and actually make money instead of going down the YouTube rabbit hole of strategies, then now is the time. Make sure you like this video, drop me a comment, and let me know what strategy you are currently using, and I will see you guys later.